Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have the best Rhinowalk motorcycle saddlebags for you. If you're an avid motorcyclist looking for a high-quality, waterproof, and durable side bag, this is the one for you. Let's dive right in and see why this product is a must-have for every rider. The Rhinowalk motorcycle saddlebags come with a 35-liter capacity, making them perfect for long trips or quick commutes. What sets this product apart is its incredible quick-release design, which allows you to remove the bag with just one click. This means you can easily detach your luggage whenever you need it, whether you're stopping for a break or heading into a store. It's all about convenience and efficiency. Now, let's talk about durability. The main material of these saddlebags is made from 1680D encrypted and thickened Oxford cloth, combined with spandex for that extra layer of protection. This material is not only wear-resistant and tear-resistant but also fully waterproof. This is crucial for motorcycle riders who frequently ride in unpredictable weather. The waterproof inner bag is removable and can even be used as a standalone handbag. So, whether you're on a rainy ride or sunny road trip, your belongings stay safe and dry. Another standout feature of the Rhinowalk motorcycle saddlebags is the internal support system. With 3mm thick semi-rigid PE boards for the body and bottom, the bag holds its shape and protects your gear from bumps and drops. This support is foldable and removable, making it easy to store when not in use, without sacrificing any of the protection. When it comes to storage, these saddlebags offer plenty of compartments for all your essentials. The mall system design on the front, sides, and bottom of the bag means you can attach extra items using D-shaped buckles and triangular hooks. There's also a dedicated tool pouch, an electronics organizer, and a separate waterproof map pocket. It's a highly functional design that keeps everything organized and easily accessible. For added security, the Rhinowalk motorcycle saddlebags are equipped with an anti-theft design. The buckle's fixed position allows you to install anti-theft locks, ensuring that your bag stays securely attached to your motorcycle even when you're away from it. Keep in mind, the locks are sold separately, but the feature adds another layer of peace of mind to this already outstanding product. The installation process is also simple and user-friendly, making this bag a great universal fit for most motorcycles. Whether you're riding a touring bike, cruiser, or sport bike, the Rhinowalk saddlebags will mount seamlessly to your bike. In conclusion, the Rhinowalk motorcycle saddlebags are an excellent choice for any motorcyclist. They combine convenience, durability, and security, offering an easy way to carry your essentials without worrying about weather or safety. If you're looking for a reliable and spacious side bag, this is definitely the best option out there. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Safe riding!